Alright. So on YouTube, this is where I blow myself up. Ooh, look at that little guy. Ooh. Who's the daddy? Yeah. So, we need to put this on here, like so. We need to put this on here. I'm going to do it this way so you can see it. And I'm going to zoom in as well. I'm going to fucking kill myself here. Stay there though. Probably should not leave that unattended. But you know what? We're going to break all the rules here today. Zoom in. Come on, you piece of shit. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, for the love of Christ. Okay. I'm going to be a bad boy and take these goggles off. So the idea is to make sure this is down first. Yeah, that's down, that's in. Now we've got to heat the guy. Heat the pipe. Heat her up. Don't keep it in one place. And with the other hand, I guess it's lead-free solder, so it doesn't matter about... You just break a piece off here. I think I have to use this whole thing. Okay, maybe I don't break a piece off. The idea is to heat the pipe, not the solder. This pipe's going to get hot. Should be getting hot. Maybe we need a bit more mojo. There we go. Yeah, you don't want to heat the solder. Oh, yeah. We've got some capillary action going there. This is my first ever joint, so bear with me here, people. Bear with me. Looks like a dog's fucking breakfast, but I believe, and I think this should have probably been inverted, but that doesn't seem bad. Seem bad at all. Yep. This guy. Oh yeah. You'll see it gets sucked in. Okay. It's hard to do with two hands, with only two hands. It's also cold as well. Doesn't help. Oh, there we go. You gotta keep this heat going, that's the secret. Okay, you can actually, yeah, you can see the solder. See there, the solder is not doing its thing, but there we go. You get it sucked into the joint there, is what you want. I'm sure that's not going to win any awards for. Yep, I do believe it's. See, this excess solder should just flow off. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. Yeah, that I'm sure is not going to win the design awards, but I believe that is done. Yeah. Alright, it's my first ever attempt at this shit, so hey, cut me some slack, guys. Cut me some slack. And you gotta let it cool. This guy, I'm sure, is hot. Yes, she's hot, so let it cool naturally. And there you have it. There you have it. God, this light. Sorry about the light. Is it possible for me to even focus on this guy here? Ooh, here we go. There you have it, guys. There you have it. Doesn't look too bad. And that's the first one. Well done.